Hi folks, I can confirm that in May Sony will have a new alpha product announcement event and we will get at least 2 new products, possibly even 3, and this is what I want to talk about today and also about the next event coming after that one in June. But before that, take 2 seconds time to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button to not miss any of the upcoming rumors. So it looks like that every month now Sony will have some kind of new product announcement, and in May we will get another one that has been confirmed by 2 trusted sources. I should get the exact date very soon, so then I will let you know. And in the meantime, I can tell you what's coming for sure and what's rumored that might be announced but still not confirmed. For sure, we're getting the ZV-E10II, the APS-C E-mount vlogger camera. That's confirmed. I still don't have any specs, but I guess that it will be a sort of spec down A6700. It will use the same sensor and have new AI features and so forth. But as soon as I have confirmation about that, I will make a new video. And we will also get a new APS-C E-mount kit lens for the ZV-E10II that will be available also for people owning the ZV-E10 or other APS-C cameras. I don't have the specs about this lens yet, but I got the confirmation a new APS-C E-mount kit zoom will be announced along the ZV-E10II. So those 2 products are 100% confirmed, and the other 2 products that should be announced between May and June are the 24 to 70mm 2.0 GM and the 85 1.4 GM2. I think the 85 1.4 GM2 will be announced in June, where they will have another product announcement event. I don't have confirmation yet about the 2470 GM, if it will be announced in May along the ZV-E10II, or more likely, my guess is that makes more sense, it will be announced in June along the 85 GM2, but still, this is something I have to confirm. Those 2 announcements are confirmed, so in May and in June. In May the ZV-E10II and the new kit lens, APS-C E-mount kit lens, and in June the 85 GM2 and probably the 2470 GM 2.0. If you're wondering where are the new full-frame camera bodies like FX full-frame E-mount cameras or Alpha E-mount camera bodies, don't worry, I have some information that I will be able to share soon. Like I told you, that stuff, that big full-frame stuff is coming the second half of the year, and you don't have to wait really a long time after June before to get the first announcement. I even think that there might be a chance to have an announcement in July already, but that's not 100% confirmed yet, but I think it's likely. Folks, again, subscribe because it's going to be a busy times in the next months, and I will be the first to share those kind of rumors, and you surely don't want to miss them. So again, like this video to help in the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and see you soon.